Are you a student or expat stuck in China, Doha, Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Russia, or any other Middle Eastern country where internet freedom is compromised? Today, you will get 2 5-star VPNs. Same like this star. Oh, by the way, it's just a pimple. I got it from nowhere. Let's go to the computer screen where I will guide you how to get the best VPNs with fastest speed but the cheaper option. And one of them you can use completely free as well. For the first VPN, open any browser, go to this link. This link is in the description of the video and it has my coupon code. The coupon code is already added here. Register with any of the email accounts. If you don't have an email, you can register as an anonymous user like this. Set any anonymous password like that and then register. Look, this email doesn't even exist, but it is registered. Now, you can use this VPN on iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, or Linux devices. First, we need to get a subscription. Go to Buy Subscription. Here, you will see monthly, quarterly, yearly, 2 years, and even 3 years plans. There are a lot of plans. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Google, Claude, Netflix, or any other live streaming app or software, Facebook, Instagram, anything you want. I gotta give you a massive coupon code. Just go to Buy Now. And here you see the price is 1488.00 in Chinese currency. You can pay using Alipay, WeChat, or TRC20. If you don't know about TRC20, it is Forex or Binance, where you can use TRC20 network to pay. Here you write my coupon code, Athiquistic, same as my YouTube channel name, and number 8. Once you verify, you see almost 300 RMB gone. It is almost $35 to $40 today, US dollars. After that, go to Pay Now. It will bring you to this dashboard. Here you can choose USDT or Alipay or WeChat. Once you click on that, it will generate a QR code and after that you can pay. If you still have any issues with the payment method, then simply ask me in the DM or go to my Instagram or Telegram and feel free to contact me anytime. Once you're done with the payment, get back to your dashboard. And here you will see all the clients. It's so easy to download for Android, Windows, and macOS, but iOS is working in a different way. First, let me tell you how it works. Just download for macOS or Windows, install the app, and it will look like so. After that, go here and log in with your email ID. You just created an account. It will show you the remaining traffic, expiry date, and all the information. After that, go to home page, go to this option and you will see all the proxies and ping value. It has so many servers from Asia to Europe to America. You can connect any server, choose the lowest ping value here. Here you can go to Europe, Americas, Middle East, or other nations. If you are in China, I recommend you to use TUN mode and SMART. You can also use global mode if you're not in China, but these two are working the best in China. After that, you can simply connect. So remember, my coupon code can be used once, no matter you used as an anonymous user or used your genuine email ID. So for renewing, you can use another anonymous email to get the discount. And the great news is you don't need to go to the website every time to get the subscription. You can do it within the app. Simply log out your current account, log out, and it will show you on installation this interface where you need to register. Go to register, write any random email or your genuine email you use for work and office or personal use. At the time of registering, you can use this coupon code so that you will get discount. Simply Athiquistic, same as my YouTube channel name, and then register. Voila, you're registered now. Now you need to go to plans and here you will see all the plans. Once again, you gotta choose any of the plans and here you can use again Athiquistic, number 8 and verify. Look, 131 RMB gone. Now you can place an order, same as you did on the website. And now each time you gotta renew, you can use this coupon code at this place within the app. And after that, go to home and you can connect the same servers. So this app works on Linux, Windows, and macOS device in the same way, but a little bit different for iOS or Apple iPhone, iPad device is different. So let's learn how to use it on iPhone. On iPhone, you can use Shadowrocket, which is a paid app, but I don't recommend it because these days this is slower than other apps. So you can use this app. This is by VPN07, and at the end of this month, you will get this VPN07 app on iPhone mobile, iPad as well. So just wait for the update because at the end of this month, the developer promised to launch the iOS app as well. For now, you can use VPN07 app, which is ClashPlus. How to use it? Let's get to know. Open website again and go to download client, go to iOS, go to use third-party app. Got it. So here is one important thing. If you are in China, then select China here. But if you are not in China, you are in Qatar, Doha, Iran, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Syria, Yemen, use overseas, this link. And there are two methods shown here. One is to copy subscription link and the other one is a QR code method. You can use both of the methods to import these proxies to ClashPlus, or if you want to use Shadowrocket, you can import to Shadowrocket as well. If you scroll down this page a little bit, you will see that not only these two apps, but you can also use Clash Verge, which is here. Not Verge only, but Meta, Verge, Pro, Clash MX, whatever Clash version is there. You can use it on Clash as well. Another app I described so many times on my YouTube channel is Nextin. And here I have imported Nextin VPN07 proxies to Nextin app. And the video link is here in the card or in the end screen. You can watch this video if you want to use Nextin app. Here you can use all these servers, refresh anytime. We already have ClashPlus, which is completely free. You can download this one on Apple Store. After subscription, get to this place and copy this link. On your iPhone or iPad, download and install ClashPlus. After that, go to plus icon, go to URL or scan the QR code I have shown you. Paste the URL here and click on import. Once you import, you will see all the VPN07 proxies and nodes here. You can always refresh subscription and sync them. Choose the lowest ping value or any server you want to connect, for example, Japan right now, and then click on connect button here. Make sure you do one setting. Go to setting, connection, and make sure you turn on TUN enhanced mode because Telegram sometimes doesn't work and WhatsApp as well if you don't turn on TU enhancement mode. Enhanced. All right. We are all set for VPN07. Next time, if you want to use VPN07 in-app purchase, then always go to user, log out your account, create a new one and use my coupon code. For registration, this is the coupon code. And for discount, this is the coupon code. If you want to use the same proxies and nodes on Clash app, same is the way. Install Clash app on your iPhone or iPad. Go to plus icon. In front of type, choose subscribe from the drop down list. In front of URL, paste the URL. This is the URL you copied from this place. Now hit on save button. After that, you will get all these VPN07 proxies. You can always go to connectivity test and then in front of global routing, choose config or proxy. These both are best in China. And simply connect. I'm already connected to ClashPlus. This is why you see the green ping values are not shown. So you can use both of these apps. Well, now we are done with VPN07. There is another website providing nodes and proxies. You can use them on, once again, Shadowrocket, Nextin, or even on Clash app. Let's learn how and how to get subscription, how to get discount codes. Go to this website. Once again, link is also in the description. And here you can register with any of these domains. QQ163126, these are two Chinese. Outlook, iCloud, Yahoo, and write down your email here. Oh, by the way, so many times, many people cannot even write email here. You don't need to write the complete email like @gmail.com because @gmail is already given here. So you just need to write down your username here and @ is already added. Then set a password. Repeat the password and my initial coupon code is already given there. After that, register here. Once you register an account, log in and remember the email and password once again. Don't forget it and don't give it to somebody. Now go to purchase subscription. You can always go to translate this one into multiple different languages, including Russian and Iranians, Chinese, Japanese, or Vietnamese. Here are different packages: bicycle, pay as you go, and all the packages. So I was talking about free package. First, let's talk about free, and the free one will work only on Android, not on iOS. Apple devices and users both are expensive, So just go to subscribe now if you want to get it completely free, and here use my coupon code @linguistic-free. Once you verify, you will see it's completely gone. So I cannot use it because I already consumed once this data. If I just verify, you will see like the coupon is no longer available. It's just because for this email, I already consumed this data. But you will get it completely free. And after that, you can use TRC20, WeChat, or Alipay for payment. Only Android and maybe Windows as well. Now let's get back to the subscription. Go to purchase subscription and choose any package. For example, buy now, this package. And here you can use another coupon code, @linguistic, only @linguistic as my YouTube channel name. Verify, and look, 41 gone. And if you're using like one email as I do, this coupon code can be used 2 times. First, at the time of registration and getting discount, and second, at the time of renewal. If you want to use it for the 3rd time, then register with another email account. Now, this is the money you need to pay. Just go to place an order. And here are the options. Once again, Alipay, WeChat, TRC20 on Forex or Binance, and you can also use USDT, BEP20. I never used BEP, but TRC20 I use on Binance. And then you can check out by scanning a QR code here. After that, you need to go to dashboard, and here is quick subscription. On this website, you can use all these apps, which includes Clash Meta, Hidify, Singbox, Shadowrocket, Quantum ULTX, Surge, and Stash. I have 2 apps, so I can use those 2, and I can also use Nextin. It can be used on any client, for example, Shadowrocket, Nextin, Clash, Clash Meta, or any client, which can handle nodes and proxies. So let's say I gotta copy my subscription link. Now, on my iPhone, macOS, or Windows, I can go to ClashPlus or Shadowrocket. Both are okay. And if you're using Windows computer, you can use ClashVerge in the similar way by going to profile, pasting that URL here, and importing. After that, go to proxy, global, and refresh here, and you are connected. In the setting, make sure you turn on system proxy, and this number should be 7897. That's it for Mac and Windows, and these both apps can be used on Mac as well. So you already copied the subscription link. Now, first of all, go to ClashPlus, go to plus icon, URL, paste the URL here, and then hit on import. Similarly, on Shadowrocket, go to plus, choose type as subscribe, and paste the URL here, and then hit on save. Once you do that, you will get Orymi Proxies here, and you can see it has more proxies and more countries. Similarly, on Shadowrocket, you will get more proxies here, and the ping value is very low, which is good. After that, choose any of your choice and connect. On Shadowrocket, you can have global routing as config or proxy, and on ClashPlus, go to setting, connection, and make sure you turn on TUN enhanced. You are good to go. After talking a lot, I feel hungry. I'm going to eat, so welcome to China, new expats and students. Hope to see you someday. Bye.